Hi everyone, I'm Mehdi Gershowski and I'm excited to share a bit about my expertise and passion in mechanical design and some of these projects that I did in my engineering. As I already mentioned in my first video, which you can see linked in the description, I was working as a CNC lathe, CNC milling operator for 2 years in Iran and also working with Engineering Technology Group. I started to work with MIA Engineering for almost more than 2 years, so I can say I have 4 years experience working in industrial manufacturing. Let's start with my responsibilities. I'm dedicated to continually improving and enhancing our creative production process. This involves employing several issues such as innovation problem solver, material selection advanced, CAD proficiency, cost-effective solution. I also test projects to make sure everything worked well and followed the expected manner. Therefore, all these factors significantly influence the production of my projects. As a conclusion, mechanical design is the process of creating and developing the physical component of product which I love it so much. In my engineering project, we are collaborating with several plastic recycling companies specializing in constructing their machinery or providing repair services and optimizing their equipment for enhanced efficiency and sustainability. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of my professional path and project in marine engineering. Let's continue to share our experiences within our professional networks.